No way. Is that George Zimmerman? Is that George Zimmerman on the TV?
Gio Benitez on March 31st of 2000.
Do you like George Zimmerman?
That you weren't sure, correct?
Is that nigga a punk?
You said that, honestly, really haven't listened to it. I've heard it.
Who's that on the TV?
I think it was my brother, but I'm not completely positive.
Huh?
I'm not trying to answer off enough.
Tell him why you mad.
Listened to the tape. The first time you listened to it was in the mayor's office in San Diego, correct?
Yes.
Tell him why you mad.
And other family
Who's that?
members. And these two attorneys, correct?
Yes.
And during
Who is
time,
that?
You listened to it along with everybody else, correct?
Yes.
And from having listened to it, it was
That punk.
your thought that you concentrate on, correct?
You talking to me?
When we heard about the mayor's office,
You talking to me?
how do I guess I didn't want to believe that it was him. So that's why in that interview, I said I wasn't sure. I guess it was, listening to it was clouded by shock and denial and sadness.
Do you want George Zimmerman to go to jail?
Sure. But you recall the date there?
Yeah.
You listened to that? Middle of March 16th of 2000.
You bark and tell it, I want George Zimmerman to go to jail.